I got this super mini sketchbook and I was doing some just mini sketches in here for Valentine's Day things. I really gotta clean this. All right, speed run makeup routine. I use this as my concealer, this powder, bronzer for days, if not months, if not maybe 2 years. The lid's totally broken off. I got this in my Ipsy. It's kind of like sparkly eyebrows, my eyeliner, the holy grail. That's just my basic, like, everyday kind of makeup situation. I need to go fix my hair desperately because I put it in a braid last night and it's like crazy. It's just crazy. And today's my first day back in my little art studio here. So we're here not to be productive, not to be perfect, but to just sit with my art again and just to get back into the flow of things. To be honest, the hardest part is literally just starting again. And we're gonna start with a quick cleanup of this studio. Honestly, creating has saved me so many times in my life. Like, it has been such an escape for me. Please don't look in this closet. It's actually a disaster. I hope you can't see it. And truthfully, I kind of forgot how awkward the first day back after a break is. I am still wearing my Christmas slippers. Don't judge me. It is what it is. All right, while I do my little daily 30-minute walk, I thought I could give you a bit of words of encouragement, because if you're feeling the way that I've felt before as an artist, then you're not alone. You're totally allowed to start small. You're allowed to take breaks. You can still be an artist and take breaks. I know when you look at social media things, people are like, don't take breaks. Consistency is key. Yes. Consistency is key. You can take that Christmas break, girl, please. You need to rest or you're going to burn out and you're not going to want to get back into it for so long. And there we go. Now I have my sitting desk again. One thing that I really had to learn as a social media artist is not everything has to be filmed or monetized to help me feel fulfilled with my art and with my creating. And that means drawing and sketching off camera and doing things and painting and coloring just for me and my like inner child. My screen time right now, guys, it's like 8 hours a day. We're so addicted to our phones. Follow me on that future journey, but for now, we're just sculpting today, slowly and steadily getting back into it. All right. I finished these little orders. So I have to paint them now. But I'm going to film my little Stranger Things video that I wanted to film for my social media for a hot minute. I've been wanting to film that just to get like a fun sculpting video out on my social medias. 3:44 now. I've been working a lot slower than I normally do just because I haven't really been sculpting that much, so I'm not as fast as I used to be. Slow progress is still progress. If today's the first day back to something that you love, I hope you're being kind to yourself and taking it slow and easy. I hope you guys love this video, and I'm so excited for 2026. Like and subscribe for fun, cozy sculpting vlogs. I'm so excited to show you guys what I have in the works, and I'll see you next time.